Today we explore how Magnifico shows the heart of a Filipino child, shaped by family, culture, poverty, and deep values like kapwa and malasakit. Now, Magnifico reflects the best of Filipino childhood traits, malasakit, empathy, and quiet responsibility. When he cares for his ailing grandmother, he shows malasakit and sincere desire to ace another person's suffering. When he cares helps the handicapped girl in the neighborhood, we see pakikiramay and even utang na loob, repaying kindness with kindness. He doesn't wait for instructions. He acts from empathy, intuition, and compassion, traits deeply rooted in Filipino life, family life. Now, Magnifico's parents shape his emotional and moral development through uniquely Filipino mixture parenting. His father is directive and authoritative, expecting hard work for the family's survival. His mother is nurturing and emotionally warm, living in poverty, teaches Magnifico maturity and creativity. His sense of duty grows as he watches his parents sacrifice each day. As Erickson shows us in the stage of industry and versus inferiority, wanting to be competent, then Kohlberg shows he follows care-based morality. When Vygotsky naman reminds us he learns value through everyday instructions at home. Now, the film beautifully illustrated Filipino psychological concepts. Kapwa. Seen when he trains neighbors as extensions of his own family. Pakikipagkapwa-tao guides his spontaneous acts of care. He quiet humility shows hiya, or road of shame. So, but his social sensitivity, his view of bayanihan, inspired by one child's kindness. And through every challenge, Magnifico shows lakas ng loob or courage born from love. Then, Magnifico faces challenges, illness in the family, and emotional strain. Yet, he copes using Filipino strengths, tiis or endurance. Now, ang pananampalataya or faith and humor that lightens our hardest days. His growth comes not inspired pressure, but through it's supported by family, neighbors, and shared home. Now, Magnifico teaches us Filipino children's develop morality through relationships, not roles. Their worldview is shaped by shared responsibility, empathy, and the belief that small acts can heal broken